Great. So, delight. I am going to speak to Mr. Sangeet Hemant Kumar, who's a
Hi,
very dear
Abhishek
friend,
ji.
very dear friend, and who's been in the real estate sector for 25 years
Yes.
or more. So, we're going to discuss about real estate,
Yes, we will.
which is your favorite,
Yes.
and data is my favorite,
Very good.
right? And we're going to try and marry data and real estate and
Fantastic.
see if it can make sense.
Very good.
And then that will be a nice conversation to
I
have.
think it's fantastic. So I had called Abhishek today to the lounge here, and we were going to be discussing a few aspects. So he said, Sangeet, today you let me talk to you. So it's a conversation. We are not interviewing here each other, but here I had planned out some questions. So he said, you will not ask me the questions. So it's going to be Abhishek Kiran Gupta, founder of CRE Metrics, who is going to be asking me the questions.
Super.
Pleasure.
Thank you. So, first question. Please tell me more about the different verticals of SHK Ventures and why.
Okay. Very interesting. I need that. Very interesting and a good question. Let's start with Abhishek. Abhishek, it's been a journey of about 25 years into the real estate sales, as a real estate consultant, as a real estate broker, and about this is, I think we met last year, right?
Yeah.
Same time. Exactly 1 year, there has been a transformation as far as this industry is concerned. And we call it the big shift as far as SHK Ventures is concerned. I started learning, I did a lot of in depth analysis, starting with Abhishek, understanding the importance of market intelligence, understanding the importance of the consumer now getting very learned, very informed because of internet, and the use of intelligence and data, as he's saying, in real estate. Earlier it was a very different story. So I don't want to use this pre-RERA and pro-RERA. I don't say transformation. Personally, I believe that our industry has already been transformed. So we are a transformed industry because of the change and because of the various reasons this transformation has taken. There are now just two set of people, two different type of people in the industry. Those who have transformed themselves and are ready to take on the challenges, accept those challenges and changes, and those who have not transformed. And I would use a third. Within the not transformed, there are again two different set of people. One who want to get transformed, and the others who don't want to get transformed. Our target, our clients, or we want to deal with those segment. It could be 30% or 40% of those who have understood that there is a change in the industry, there's a change in the process, there's a change in the way the real estate industry is going to function, and they are not able to get transformed, or they need an associate, they need a partner, they need a strategic partner. We are the strategic partner for all the stakeholders of the industry who would like to be transformed. So that's the basic thought process behind our initiative, and we also understood, and that is the reason why we want Abhishek to be on board, as you know, from the intelligence we can take from you, because we realize now that as the industry is changing, as the business is changing, PR, marketing, branding, consumer insights, data analysis, artificial intelligence, digital media, everything needs to be integrated. And that is what we are doing at SHK Ventures, at one-stop solution, developer focused, keeping in mind the needs of the consumer, keeping in mind that we believe that there is a lot of stress, there is a lot of issues in the industry which needs to be addressed. So we have our attempt is to understand that need and fill that gap. That is what we do at SHK Ventures. Verticals, if you want to ask me, Abhishek, again it evolved. So let me tell all my friends here, and today we are also launching a new initiative which is called SHK Digital. It's a thought process which our team has worked on it, and we will be officially launching it in the next few days, because we believe we don't say digital is the future, we say digital is the present. So that is what we evolved. So residential, we decided we want a separate vertical. So we have an Aspire Luxuria, which is catering to the needs of the HNIs and the ultra rich guys who want to have an aspirational need of buying a house. So it could be a Virat Kohli or a Anushka Sharma or a celebrity, or it could be a super duper rich guy or a head and show of a company who has his, he wants to buy an aspirational home. So we need to understand what is the mindset of that celebrity or that HNI who wants to buy a 50 crore home. So we do, that is where again we'll be needing your services.
So that's one vertical.
One vertical.
Wherein you are understanding what he wants and then helping him.
Helping
buy
him out, yes.
Awesome.
Then we have the CRE hub, which is how we got associated with.
Okay.
So it is the commercial real estate hub.
Okay.
So we believe commercial real estate hub is a need because there is a lot of commercial development happening. And again, earlier Abhishek, what used to happen is that whatever a developer used to build was sold.
Okay. Sure.
Why was it sold? Because they were investors.
Okay.
Now there are no investors, or there are investors are less. Let's say, I would say about 10% of the there are only 90% is the end users, 10% are the investors. And we will talk, if we get time, about the investors, whatever I have learned about the investors. So CRE was created. Actually, we started off with CRE. That's how we came on.
Sure.
We started using your platform
Correct.
for analysis and research, which we started using. And we have done deals because of Mr. Abhishek Gupta, because we were able to fill that gap between the price quoted and what the client wanted to offer. And a lot of times the deals don't take place because, say for example, a developer is quoting 250 rupees a square feet. I'm talking about leave license agreement, and the corporate wants to, he says 180. मतलब मेरा इतना ही बजट है, अब 250 कहाँ 180 का डील नहीं होगी भाई, तो डील कैसे होगी?
Yeah. So you bridge the gap
Yes.
between the bid
Yes.
and the ask
Yes.
using factual data.
Yes, absolutely correct.
So understood. So now there's one vertical which is residential.
Yes, sir.
There's one vertical which is
Commercial. Yes.
With-
These are the two basic things.
And these are two very basic.
Yeah.
You've been doing it for many years. People
Yeah.
know you on
हमने
both
खाली
sides.
उसको नाम दे दिया है.
Perfect.
आप एक कोई भी टिपिकल कंसल्टेंट के पास जाएंगे तो वो एक नाम से काम करता है, राइट? हमने उसको डिवाइड कर दिया.
That's fine. That's fine. And you've also already sort of answered my second question, that how do you see the importance of data in real estate? So you've already answered.
I've
partly
answered that
question. For the commercial bit, even for the residential bit, it also tells you
Yes.
what are the prices, what are the supply, who's
सर
building
मैं
it.
और प्लस क्योंकि we now gone into so our third vertical which we were talking about. So SHK Ventures as a company is now more into strategies now. We are now providing the communication strategy, the marketing strategy in terms and including branding. And we are so since this industry is transformed, we call it a rebranding strategist. So we are in that space.
No, hold on. So let me get this right. So I won't talk about the big developers.
Yes.
Okay, let's assume they have in-house, they have the
Yes,
capability
yes,
to hire the
yes,
strategists,
yes.
hire the branding, or
Yes,
outsource it.
yes.
But the smaller guys
Yes.
who don't have the money or the understanding to do it,
Correct.
you can come and handhold them.
Absolutely.
The simple question is, will you only do the branding, the strategy, the market studies saying that you should build a 2-bedroom, you should
Yes,
build a
that's
3-bedroom,
exactly-
or you also help them sell it?
No, it's a very interesting point, Abhishek. So we are, as a company, what we have decided. So as our parent company, we don't want to get into sales.
Okay.
So that
at
is
that level. You still want to see the 50 crore houses, that's separate.
No, so I'm coming to that. I want to address as a very interesting thing. So what happens is, the way, if a developer wants to get empowered, he wants to use our services in terms of strategy, in terms of branding and all, that's when we don't want to get into the sales part.
Acha.
Or we take
You
us.
want to keep it separate.
We want to keep it separate. The basic idea behind that is we don't want a conflict of interest. So for example, the developer X who's engaging us, we don't want the channel partner to feel suffocated that अरे भाई इसका client हमारा client ये लेके नहीं जाए. तो हम आपका client नहीं लेके जाएंगे क्योंकि हम वो sales function वहाँ करेंगे ही नहीं. हम sales function सिर्फ वहीं करेंगे जहाँ हम comfortable हैं और जहाँ पे हमारा जो हमारी टीम जो है in-house sales team. And let me again, I want to stress on this point. We believe very strongly that everything should be in-house.
Okay.
And rather than having anything outsourced, you become partners.
Sure.
So either we collaborate and work together, or then we work independently.
Sure.
And there is no point in telling me कि मेरे पास PR एजेंसी है, मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंशियल मार्केटिंग की एजेंसी है, ये है वो है, लेकिन सब मैंने आउटसोर्स कर रखा है. नहीं काम होता है ऐसे. आपको इन हाउस करना पड़ता है. बाकी के साथ आप कोलैबोरेट करिए. आप यू हैव अ अलायंस विद दैट agency. Then it makes more sense because then you are together. You work as two companies. You work as two individuals.
Fair.
You work as two entrepreneurs. The team work together. So that is what we are doing. So have I able to answer your question, or still there are some more questions? I'd love to answer that.
No, I'm just trying to draw a parallel. So if a big IPC has a residential division,
Okay.
right? And they would so claim that we have somebody who understands the market because we've been doing it for donkey's years.
Yes.
We have relations with developers, so we have that also set.
Yes.
We have brokers also who can sell the apartment.
Yes.
So I'm just trying to draw a parallel between an IPC who can do this
So a residential
versus
IPC.
SHK who can also do this because he also has the relationships.
Okay.
He also has the intelligence now.
Yes.
Or whether he has it or he's partnered with somebody, that's a different
Yes.
story. I'm just trying to see how do we compete and where is our USP versus.
So Abhishek, I'll be, I don't know whether you've been following my posts, but first of all, I started blogging. I love writing. I've been doing a lot of content development. I got a very strong team who helps me in doing that. Again, I really and honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say this today. We all need to collaborate. If you want to compete, you got to compete only with yourself. Do not care, do not bother about your competitor. Abhishek, you are into business intelligence. You have more than, you're not the only agency providing this. There might be 2, 3, 4, 5. So rather than worrying what those 4, 5 are doing, worry on what you want to do. As in business intelligence company, as an analyst, focus on what you're doing. I don't look at what the IPCs do.
Interesting.
I'm very, very good friends with Mr. Anuj Puri. I'm very good friends with anybody and everybody from the industry. On a very serious note, I learn from them. We are all evolving, this industry is evolving, so we honestly learn. If I have an open mind, Abhishek, that is the only way I can learn.
Sure.
If I can learn, I say everybody can learn.
Sure.
I am not here to talk about any kind of a competition or anything, and that is the reason why we have created this. The entire thought process behind SHK Ventures is to be distinctively different. That's our tagline.
Sure.
And how can you be different? By genuinely, again I want to say this, and I'm sure that's the reason why we share this relationship, intent. With all due respects to everybody, if you have good intent, if you have the right business model, trust me, you're going to be succeed.
Sure.
You are going to achieve success.
Sure.
There is no reason that you will not succeed. Scale is different. So I tell this, Abhishek, to a lot of my friends and within my own team that we as an industry, it's the 3S. So we have survived, and now we are sustaining. Now the time to scale up. Whether it's your operation, you just told me before we started this discussion and conversation that you have taken more space in your property, you're adding more people.
Sure.
So anybody and everybody who has survived, who is sustaining, who has a good intent, who understands where this industry is going, and what are the changes, they all are going to scale up.
Sure.
A Lodha is going to scale up further. A Broy is going to scale up further.
Sure.
A DLH is going to scale up further. A Paradigm is going to scale up further. A Parini is going to scale up further. A Kalpatru is going to scale up further. Similarly, from the real estate perspective, there are so many sales agencies. So we have a very good friend of mine, Amit Wadhwani now. So a Sai consultant. I will not use again this word small or something, but a young developer, a young consultant, a young sales agency without having any background of real estate comes into this business, whatever years, 4 years, 5 years back, from Chembur. Today he's all over the place. 50 projects in the city of Mumbai, expanding to other cities.
Fantastic.
They inspire me. So I said, there is no competition.
Super. So I have one more question to
Sure.
ask. So we know that real estate market has been a tough market.
It's
for
been
the
a challenging time, yeah.
For the last 3 to 4 years at least.
Yes.
So obviously the 2009 debacle happened. Then 10, 11, 12, 13 were again
Yes.
a good recovery.
Yes.
And since then it's either been flat or tough.
Yes.
Definitely tough in residential.
Very tough in residential.
Commercial was still
Still better.
breathing and finding its way,
And still better also, right?
right? 4 years from now, given that you've got this 25 years of experience, where do you see commercial or residential? Actually, let's talk about residential only. Where do you see, you think it's going to get better? And if it's going to get better, why should it get better? क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट रेट्स तो कम नहीं हो रहे हैं.
तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात बोल रहे हैं. तो ये बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है और कैमरा पे मेरे को ऑन स्पॉट डाल दिया आपने. मेरे को आपने खुद एनालिसिस करते हैं और मेरे को पूछ रहे हैं. I'm a marketeer and from a marketeer perspective and so there's no hidden agenda here, so we got to talk about it. So I don't do any underwriting, I don't do any so I don't have any interest in any micro market or in any project. Where I look at it, a very interesting question. I'll answer it again from a marketer. Whatever answers I'm giving is from a marketer perspective, with all due respect to the intelligent fraternity or the members of our fraternity. So you can excuse me if I make a wrong statement. This is not research, and I'm still surprised that I am answering. I was ready with my questions. Shruti Anand has made a very good question here who does our research, and here it's a reverse thing. He's asking me questions. So first of all, you put me in a spot, Abhishek. तो इसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. हाँ, मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन दिया था, आपने वो बाजू में रख दिया और खुद सवाल पूछने शुरू कर दिए. तो anyway, I'm enjoying this also. So it's more like a conversation with Abhishek Gupta. So अभी क्या ट्रेंड हो रहा है अगर आप थोड़ा भी समझो ना.
Yes.
क्योंकि ये अगेन वाई योर रोल इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. डेवलपर एक प्लॉट लेता था, वो ज़्यादा रिसर्च नहीं करता था, वो बिल्डिंग बना देता था, अपना प्लान्स रेडी कर देता था, ब्रोकर्स आ जाते थे, उसका स्टॉक बिक जाता था, इन्वेस्टर आ जाते थे और अपना कैश जो भी था वहाँ पे लगा देता था. अब वो सब चीज़ नहीं रही भाई. अब जो है वो नीड बेस्ड हो गया है. अगर आज आप ये देखिए कि बहुत कुछ चेंज हो गया है. यू नो the second generation, third generation. So let's say I call myself second, so after my parents, the third generation. So my children, Abhishek, they don't want to buy a house. They don't have an intent. My daughter is working, my son-in-law is working, they don't want to buy a house. But Dad, take care. And also they say, Dad, you chill, you take care of your money, I'll take care of our money. My father kept on working so that not only he made his life, he ensured that his son's life was also on track. I don't have to worry about my children. Anybody and everybody in the second generation today are relieved because they don't have to worry about the third generation. Third generation is more carefree. They are educated, they have an open mind, they are informed, they are learned, they take decisions. आज अगर घर खरीदना है, हस्बैंड वाइफ जाते हैं तो वाइफ इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है, हस्बैंड इंपॉर्टेंट ही नहीं है. हस्बैंड तो घर में रहता ही नहीं है, खाली रात को घर पे आता है. तो इम्पॉर्टेंट कौन है? वाइफ. वाइफ बोलिए भाई मेरे यहाँ पे फ्रेंड सर्कल है, मैं वर्सोवा में रहती हूँ, मेरी किटी पार्टी वर्सोवा में, मेरे को जू में फ्लैट नहीं चाहिए, मैं यहाँ 3 बेडरूम में खुश हूँ. पहले जॉइंट फैमिली थे, वी वर ऑल टुगेदर. टुडे वी आर नॉट अ जॉइंट फैमिली. द किड्स हैव गॉन आउट, दे आर आइदर इन डिफरेंट सिटी और इन डिफरेंट कंट्री. One kid is in London, one kid is in New York, someone is in Spain. The world is, so we have become a global citizen. So because of this one big change itself, a residential requirement is now just not that important to buy a house. मुझे घर क्यों खरीदना है सर, आप मेरे को रीज़न बताएंगे. तो क्या हो गया, डिफ़िकल्ट हो गया काम.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
अब माइक्रो मार्केट डेवलप हो रही हैं. चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र ने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट को एकदम ही हाइस पे स्पीड पे कर दिया है. कनेक्शंस, मेट्रोज बन रहे हैं दोनों तरफ. हमारे लिंक रोड पे भी काम चल रहा है, हमारे साउथ बॉम्बे में भी काम चल रहा है, अपना हाईवे में भी काम चल रहा है. अगले 3, 4, 5 साल के अंदर बॉम्बे सिटी इज गोइंग टू बी अ कनेक्टेड सिटी. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? माइक्रो मार्केट्स आर गेटिंग डेवलप्ड. कंस्ट्रक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है, स्ट्रेस आ गया है सेल्स पे. डेवलपर ने ऑब्वियसली लोन लिया है, कहाँ से जाके उसको वो पूरा करेंगे. तो ये 4 साल 5 साल की जो आप बात कर रहे हो ना अभिषेक, अगेन आई डोंट हैव द फिगर्स, so those figures you will have to put it.
Yes,
That is
yes,
what
yes,
is your now.
yes. We will.
When we meet next time, you're going to give me those figures. From a marketeer perspective, this is how this industry is going to remain for the next 4-5 years. There are going to be new channel partners. There are going to be more informed channel partners. There are going to be multiple sales agencies. There's going to be a SI. There are going to be multiple small SIs there. Sales. There are going to be Anarocs. Everybody is going to be getting into sales mode. The channel partners will have to get empowered, they have to be educated, they need to be informed, and they are all, so the ladder system which has started, so from a 1% it went to 2%, it's now going to continue to 4%, 5%. So all the empowered real estate consultants who have become into sale have a sales force. It could be just 2, it could be 4, it could be 200, 300, that doesn't make a difference. जितनी बड़ी टीम आप उतना ग्रो कर सकते हैं, तो आप वहाँ पे सेल्स लेके आओगे. डेवलपर की भी सेल्स टीम होगी, बट ही वुड वांट, दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल देम चैनल पार्टनर्स नाउ. So we are now channel partners, and we genuinely mean that, because as a channel partner you are the channel now. तो एक आपका प्रोडक्ट बन गया है, उसको सर आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हो ना, उसको आप मार्केट करते हो, उसको प्रमोट करते हो. रियल एस्टेट इज दैट नाउ. So you have a manufacturer now. From a manufacturer you have a distributor, then you have a retailer, and this is going to continue. This process is now started, is going to be for the next 4-5 years. So now in terms of sales होगा नहीं होगा, मेरे को प्रोसेस समझ में आता है, मुझे सेल्स का स्ट्रैटेजी समझ में आती है. कितना सेल्स होगा क्या नहीं होगा वो मुझे आपको देना पड़ेगा. सो नेक्स्ट राउंड ऑफ डिस्कशन एंड कन्वर्सेशन वी गोइंग टू बी हैविंग, यू गोइंग टू बी गिविंग विद दैट डेटा.
Sure.
वो
Delighted.
तरीका चेंज हो गया है सर काम करने का,
Absolutely.
एंड lot of things will change and things are changing, and we're going to work.
So the developers have also have a third generation, correct?
Very
So-
good question.
So they probably like even the brokers have become younger,
Ye-
right? So everybody has this, as you
Yes.
said, the first, the second,
Yes,
the third.
yes, yes.
So across the spectrum, you have
Very
younger
interesting
people.
question, Abhi. I think
Across
next,
the spectrum,
I
they
think
have
next
people
time,
who have
sir,
like data.
I think we should be asking him to do the interviews. He's a fantastic interviewer. ये क्वेश्चन लाए कहाँ से आप? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. तो बिल्कुल सही अब आपने बताया. अब जो थर्ड जनरेशन है वो अगेन वही है, बाहर घूम के आया है.
Correct.
सर वो
पढ़
छुट्टी
के
मनाया
आया.
पढ़ के आया, मलेशिया घूम के आता है, ऐसे यहाँ से जाके. दुबई तो ऐसे जाता है कि वीकेंड पे जाता है.
Sure.
लंदन गया है, स्टैनफोर्ड में पढ़ाई करी है भाई ने, MBA है. वो यहाँ आके देखे कि क्या हो रहा है, उसे नहीं करना है. जिसका रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस, चाहे वो कंस्ट्रक्शन हो, चाहे वो सेल्स हो, चाहे वो मार्केटिंग हो, अगर आप पे पैशन नहीं है तो आप प्लीज़ इस इंडस्ट्री को छोड़ दीजिए. ये पैसे बनाने की, बिजनेस की, ट्रेड की मशीन नहीं है. जिन्होंने बनाया, गॉड ब्लेस देम. आज आपको पैशन होना चाहिए जो आप काम कर रहे हैं. चाहे मैं 10,000 फुट की बिल्डिंग बना रहा हूँ या 10 लाख फुट की बिल्डिंग बना रहा हूँ, मुझे उसमें कुछ नया, कुछ पैशन करना है, जिसके वजह से वो चीज़ बनेगी, तब जाके बिकेगी. और ये सब चेंज जो है, जो आपका सवाल था, थर्ड जनरेशन जो आया है, ये हर जगह वो लेके आया.
Across the spectrum.
द आर्किटेक्ट,
Absolutely.
the interior designer, the branding. So my team is 21, 22, 23 years of age. I have a young team. They are teaching me. So when you hire the best. As an entrepreneur now, please hire the best. Because it, sir, आपने आज आपकी टीम है, राइट? ये आपका निर्माण था, आपने CRE मैट्रिक्स बनाया, अकेले आपने शुरू किया होगा. अभिषेक तिवारी जी आए होंगे, 3 साथ में होंगे. आज आपकी कितनी बड़ी टीम है सर?
24 people.
And you started off with how many?
7, 8.
7, 8. शुरू तो एक दो ने किया ना?
Yeah, sure. Oh,
एक-
yeah. Well, sure.
शुरुआत, एक शुरुआत.
Correct.
हमेशा 1-2 जन शुरू करते
Oh,
हैं.
absolutely.
7 जन की टीम, आज आप 25 है. With the kind of work you are doing, you're going to go to 100. And again, the thing is, you are addressing the need.
Sure.
Business enterprise, the success lies not behind what you want to offer, is what the consumer wants.
Absolutely.
You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
keep giving data. If nobody wants to use that data, buy the data, it's useless.
Absolutely.
Put it in the dustbin.
Yeah.
I hope I'm addressing all your questions.
Yes, very much.
Anything else you want to ask me? बिकॉज ये क्या है, मेरा होमवर्क हो गया एक्चुअली. ये कट कर देना बात में. आपके
नहीं, I can ask another 5 questions, but
हाँ नहीं, बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो हैव टू रश, बट इट्स ओके. बट इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एनीथिंग एल्स यू वुड लाइक टू आस्क, यू कैन आस्क. अच्छा बन गया. आपके और कुछ मन में होगा तो बता देना. ये कट कर देना ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया और कुछ नहीं ना. वो कैसे करेगी?
25 minutes will be already.
हाँ, we could. I think we'll
We'll
stop.
cut it here.
We can.
So we'll do the end now. So a fantastic conversation we had this afternoon with Abhishek.
Yes.
And again, Abhishek, you put me in a spot by asking me question. But really, I thank you.
No, absolute pleasure. It's a
And
great listening.
we all need to change. We all need to evolve. And let's collaborate. Let's work together. And let's make this entire industry a beautiful industry to be a part of and to work. Thank you very much, Abhishek, for coming. Thank you.
Thank you.